What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another quick video, and today I'm going to be answering some questions about the GlowShift Coolant Temp gauge that I installed. I believe it was 2 years ago, or about a year and a half ago already. So far, still no problems, nothing major. The only things, I think I covered this before, were the bullet connectors that came with the kit. I hated them. So I swapped them out for solder sleeves, and those seem to be holding up just fine. I wrapped them in electrical tape, and it's good enough. So first question comes from DowHap23. Where did you ground to? So what I did was I ran the ground wire to my negative battery terminal, and the power wire, if you really want to know, I ran that as best I could, following wiring harnesses as best as I could, and running it through the firewall. And I believe there's a boot back there. I can't remember what it's for. I think it's for the I don't know. I can't even remember. I mean, it was like I said, a year and a half ago. But yeah, so there is a space back there. Just remove your air box, and you should be able to get back there just fine, and route your positive or your power wire through, and then your ground, route it to the negative battery terminal. Now, the second question, also from DowHap23, is what fuses did I use? So I also used solder sleeves for connecting these expandable fuses. All right, so in this, I believe it was, I can't even read that. So in this fuse spot here, I ended up using 2 7.5s, and I tried to stay with what was in the existing spot to begin with, if I was tapping into something. Now, if I was just running something in a blank spot, which I believe is one of these, I would use a shit. You know what? I honestly really couldn't even tell you. 7.5 and a 10 amp fuse on that one. And the other one, I believe, is also 2 7.5s. I think this is the one that I also... Yeah. Yeah, 7.5 and 10 amp fuse. So that's pretty much it. I didn't need anything with a whole lot of amperage. And I can't remember if the directions said, whether you use certain fuses or not, or at least what amperage fuses to use for the gauge. But I'm fairly certain that it did, and that's probably why I used 7.5 and 10 amp fuses. So this one is 2 7.5 amp fuses, and both of these are 7.5 and 10 amp fuses for both of these. So that's pretty much it. Eventually, like I said, I would like to do a video on how well it reads temperature. And I did end up purchasing a temp gun, so I'll be doing that here at some point. But when I have the time, I'll have to shoot that video. But I hope this helped you. I hope this answered some questions, and I'll catch you guys next time.